Welcome to another installment in our Book Creator series. And in this episode today, we are going to focus on Capacity 7, which is personalized learning. And we're going to focus on the content of math and how you can use the application Book Creator to personalize the learning for your math class. So first off, we're going to look at just some examples of how the students can create their own content and how they can learn from that. So here's just a few that we had some of our students here at Bester make. And as you can see, this book is all about numbers. And so what the students did was they put in their own text. They had their own audio in there, and then they got some images from the internet. But this really provided some motivation for our students. And then, of course, other students in the class will definitely benefit from looking at this book, from using this book, and, of course, from writing this book. So that's one example. Another one is this book about shapes. So as you can see, this is just a great way for students to not only showcase the great things that they're doing, but also so other students could learn about different shapes and numbers. Videos can be embedded in here of them explaining it. And of course, every time you see the speech icon, that means that the student is talking here and explaining their thinking, which is just extremely powerful for the learning. Another thing you can do with a Book Creator in mathematics is kind of get an assessment. And by that, what I mean is you can have them showcase what they know, and then hopefully, if it's quality work, then of course that can be shown to other students in your class. You can say that for students that might need some extra help. So here's one this is just a template. It was a book on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And so the template is you would just push it out through like Google Classroom to your students. They would just download it, and then this would be theirs for them to create. So just some things that I put on here were create a video explaining how to add whole numbers. And I have another section over here where it says create a video using a different strategy. So they'd have to be proficient at two different strategies. And then, of course, I put on there what are some key things to remember, just so that if another student were reading this book that did not know how to add or subtract or multiply and divide, they could pick this up and kind of basically learn from themselves. This could be used at home with parents and with younger siblings. So there's just a lot of power in this. And, of course, the teacher can really see just from this simple ebook if the student knows adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. But of course you could pick any topic for this, and like I said, you could even showcase some of the best ones, and you could use this from year to year to help support students that might not get it the first time. So hopefully you have some good ideas of how you can use Book Creator in your math class.